Hey guys, so in order for me to be able to ready so early in the morning, I have to do some things in the night. So right now I am taking out my clothes, I am looking everything, underwear, all the works, and then packing my bag.
Give me God, because everything I am, I'm trading. Got my life in your hands, all my plans, cause I'm trading. What's good for me, cause you're good for me. I know it's been a while, but I gotta tell the truth.
Hi there, my name is Tim McDonald, and I'm the lead pastor at West Side of Jesus Church, Portland, Oregon. The passage we're going to be looking at today is Zephaniah 3:17. So, what a beautiful image, this warrior king, this warrior God.
Come say hi. If you're new here, hi, I'm Shakay. You're not Shakay. This is Sassy Shan. It's too dark. If you're new here, hi, I'm Shakay. And this is Sassy Shan. That's my sister. Hi, people. It's been a while. Yeah, I know. Face so big. Yeah, it's been. I think his camera is making my face block because there's no way my head is big. Yeah. This is Shanique's vlog. Welcome back to the channel, and I love you all. Camera over there. For brekkie. So this morning for breakfast we're doing plantain. So that's ripe plantain for y'all. Yeah. Shanique love ripe plantain, you see? This is she'll lick me out there, see. Guys, so now I'm going to actually fix my wig because I did pull out my hair yesterday, so this is not an everyday thing. I would probably be like fixing either I'll be washing my face, like doing my morning routine first, or but right now I need to like fix the wig before I go to bed, so never do that.
For so long, so stuck in my own way, so I'ma enjoy this moment. It's the day that the Lord has made. so grateful that I made it this far. Almost thought I had to call my mama in a cop car. Benny's everything for me and everything I need. I would be nothing if you didn't give me no reason to be.
Hi guys, it is what time now? I don't remember. I think it's after 6 right now. Normally I go bed after 6 because my sis has to bed before me because she leave like about 6:30 or about 6:15. Yeah, so I bed after she's finished. So I normally do my skincare, like, well, not the skincare, well, I actually not used to do it, but I'm gonna do it again, like put on the all of the things on my face. But I stopped because by the time I reach in the shower, it's like the water still a splash on my face, and sometimes it washes off whatever is there, so I'm like, waste of products. So what I do, I actually wait. So I will wash my face, brush my teeth, and then when I get out of the bath, then I will put on like my moisturizer, my sunscreen, stuff like that. So yeah, I go just wait until my sister gets out, and then I'm gonna head into the shower. I almost forgot my medication, but yeah, I'm supposed to take our medication after I eat, and I was forget it. I'm ready. So yes, I'm ready, guys. Alright guys, that's gonna be the end of my morning routine. I'm gonna head out now. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny.